Welcome to Books for Success. Today, we're delving into the wisdom within Unstoppable Mindset by Alden Mills. Unstoppable Mindset teaches readers how to leverage their mental power to achieve their goals. It presents a step-by-step process for building mental toughness, setting ambitious goals, and overcoming common obstacles to success. The book draws on the author's extensive experiences to provide practical strategies and inspiring stories to help individuals realize their full potential. Before we begin, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications if you want to keep receiving the knowledge of book summaries about health, wealth, love, psychology, and much more. Don't be shy about dropping your book suggestions for us to summarize. Also, you can use this video as an audiobook summary. Let's grow and succeed together. What's in it for me? Build mental toughness and achieve your goals with insights from elite training. Alden Mills' Unstoppable Mindset. How to use what you have to get what you want. Navy SEALs are known for their extraordinary resilience and tenacity. They embody an attitude that refuses to give up, no matter the odds. But what if you could apply this same mindset to your personal growth? This mindset involves setting clear, actionable goals, maintaining focus, and using every challenge as a stepping stone. It's about turning obstacles into opportunities and consistently working toward your dreams, even when faced with setbacks. In this summary, you'll learn how to develop an unstoppable mindset, discover techniques for effective goal setting, managing internal dialogues, building mental and physical endurance, and transforming limiting beliefs into empowering ones. These insights will equip you to overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and achieve your most ambitious goals, fostering a mindset that turns aspirations into reality. Develop an unstoppable mindset through goal setting. What would you say is the best way to accomplish more while staying consistently motivated? It starts with cultivating an unstoppable mindset. At its core, this involves setting clear, actionable goals that channel your mental energy towards specific objectives. This focused approach ensures you manage your time efficiently and achieve more. There are three key elements to this process: direction, accountability, and motivation. Focus on these to harness your potential and push closer to your aspirations each day. Your brains play a crucial role in this process. The conscious mind handles daily tasks, while the subconscious mind works on the underlying goals. Aligning your subconscious with your conscious objectives through positive reinforcement and visualization will enhance your ability to achieve your goals. For instance, just as focusing on a road ahead while driving keeps you on course, focusing on positive outcomes trains your subconscious to work toward them. And it all starts with dreams, the imagined future states you desire, from career aspirations to personal achievements. Turning dreams into detailed visions involves engaging multiple senses to make these goals feel real and attainable. Studies show that visualizing an action activates the same brain regions as performing it, which in turn boosts motivation and performance. Next, convert your vision into a concrete goal by adding deadlines and measurable metrics. This methodical approach ensures your goals are actionable and trackable. For example, if your goal is to write a book, set a daily target for the number of words you will write. Consistent daily actions are essential. Break your goals into small, manageable tasks that you can accomplish every day, building momentum and reinforcing the habit of working toward your objectives. Now, it all sounds easy enough, but beware. Common mistakes can derail your progress. These include lacking a compelling connection to your goals, setting overly challenging daily commitments, failing to measure progress, losing focus, listening to the wrong people, procrastinating, and taking the wrong actions. To avoid these pitfalls, you should start with manageable daily actions, consistently track your progress, and most important, ensure your goals resonate personally. By adopting these strategies, you can develop an unstoppable mindset that empowers you to achieve your most ambitious goals. It's one thing to dream big. It's another to take practical steps every day to turn those dreams into reality. Embrace the power of clear, actionable goals and transform your aspirations into tangible achievements through consistent effort and mental focus. Mastering mindsetting for unstoppable success. Developing an unstoppable mindset involves mastering your internal dialogue. This process, called mindsetting, requires managing two competing voices within, the whiner and the winner. The whiner, driven by fear, speaks in various voices to derail your progress. There's the doubter who questions your abilities, the complainer who focuses on discomfort, the procrastinator who delays actions, the hypothesizer who imagines negative outcomes, and the quitter who persuades you to give up. Recognizing and silencing these voices is essential for progress. The winner, on the other hand, is driven by love and long-term goals. This positive voice encourages perseverance and resilience, focusing on the benefits and personal growth from overcoming obstacles. Say, for example, you're facing a challenging career path. The winner's voice would remind you of your deeper motivations and long-term aspirations, helping you push through difficulties. To cultivate the winner's voice, start by identifying your passion and purpose. See, passion involves activities you deeply enjoy, while purpose connects your actions to a greater goal. For example, a passion for water-based activities and a love for teamwork might drive someone to pursue a career as a Navy SEAL. But don't just think about it. Write down 5 reasons why pursuing your dream is worthwhile, focusing on how it impacts you and those you love. This exercise will help you find purpose in the daily work required to achieve your goals. Understand that the struggle between the whiner and the winner is normal. You should accept this struggle and understand it as a chance to build mental strength and resilience. For instance, imagine you're taking part in some physically demanding challenge, like a rowing competition. Enduring the physical pain and doubt can help reinforce the winner's voice, turning the challenge into a source of pride and motivation. To actively manage these internal conversations, focus on reinforcing positive thoughts and beliefs that align with your long-term goals. Keep it methodical and measurable. This ensures your goals are actionable and trackable. Remember, the whiner's negativity can be overpowering, but the winner's love-driven motivation can overcome it with consistent effort. By aligning your actions with your passion and purpose and actively managing your internal dialogue, you can cultivate an unstoppable mindset. This mindset will help you overcome obstacles while also empowering you to achieve your most ambitious goals, turning your dreams into reality through consistent effort and positive focus. Secrets of mental and physical endurance. When faced with adversity, how do you keep pushing forward? This question lies at the heart of understanding perpetual fuel, the mental and physical endurance needed to overcome challenges. Take the example of Popeye, a relentless SEAL instructor who embodies the principle that the body obeys the brain. Popeye, despite his small stature and many injuries, demonstrated immense strength and resilience. Known for his grueling training methods, he would push candidates to their breaking points to teach them to be comfortable with discomfort. His goal was to show that true training begins when you think you can't go any further. His methods were tough, yet they were designed to instill a mindset that breaks through perceived limits. The central aspect of perpetual fuel is the concept of attitude ownership. Your attitude is your choice, and it directly impacts how you handle challenges. Positive thoughts lead to positive emotions, creating a beneficial cycle that fuels perseverance. Psychologist Viktor Frankl's ability to maintain a positive attitude in a concentration camp is a great example of the power of owning your attitude. Also consider the body-brain connection. Popeye often emphasized that the brain leads and the body follows. This relationship is vital in managing stress and maintaining performance. To optimize this connection, make sure you get enough sleep, proper nutrition, and regular exercise. Good sleep improves cognitive functions and physical health. Nutrition fuels the body and brain, while exercise builds endurance and resilience. Popeye's laundry drill is a great example of mental and physical conditioning. Candidates would repeatedly wash their clothes in cold water, push through discomfort, and endure rigorous exercises. While physical endurance was an important part of the exercise, the main focus was on mental fortitude and attitude adjustment. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential. Visualize a kind of positivity gym, a place where you can do exercises for the mind, stretching your thoughts to envision positive outcomes and pushing away negative thoughts while pulling in positive ones. These mental exercises help you stay focused and motivated. Finally, never forget that there's always a positive side to a negative event. This perspective helps you see obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. By practicing these principles, you can develop the perpetual fuel needed to persist through any challenge, transforming adversity into a source of strength and progress. Mental resilience through effective focus techniques. Manageable resilience through effective focus techniques. Understanding and mastering focus is essential to overcoming adversity and achieving success. This is demonstrated through the experiences of Navy SEAL trainees during surf torture, where they are subjected to freezing water and crashing waves. The key to enduring this ordeal lies in redirecting focus away from the discomfort and toward manageable, positive elements. By singing their class song and focusing on the warmth of the sun, trainees can endure the cold and maintain their composure. During Hell Week, a demanding period with minimal sleep and relentless physical challenges, this principle is tested to the extreme. Trainees must link arms and sit in the freezing Pacific Ocean, focusing on their mental resilience. When the instructors use psychological tactics to induce fear and doubt, such as discussing hyperthermia and the dangers of the cold, it becomes evident that maintaining focus on positive thoughts and collective strength is the only way to succeed. The moment trainees start focusing on their discomfort, they become more likely to quit. Focus acts like a funnel, channeling energy toward a specific thought or action. Now, this funnel can either amplify positive, constructive thoughts or magnify negative, destructive ones. It's important to understand that our focus funnel does not care what goes into it, but it will attract similar thoughts, acting like a magnet. It's up to you to consciously control and direct your focus. An example of this principle in action is the development of the perfect push-up, a fitness device designed to enhance push-up workouts by allowing natural arm rotation. Created by a former Navy SEAL, the initial product was overly complex and failed to gain traction in the market. On the brink of bankruptcy, the team shifted their focus to a simpler, more effective design. By concentrating on immediate, actionable steps and not being overwhelmed by the larger picture, they successfully launched the perfect push-up. Their shift in focus turned the company around, leading to the perfect push-up becoming a highly successful fitness device. Focused effort and clear goals can overcome substantial obstacles. To control your focus, follow these steps. First, filter your thoughts by choosing which to focus on and which to dismiss. Next, own your outcomes by taking responsibility for the results of your focused actions. Concentrate on the next action to avoid feeling overwhelmed by the bigger picture. Understand your why to maintain motivation through challenges. And finally, separate what works from what doesn't to ensure your strategies are effective. These steps will help you maintain a strong, directed focus toward achieving your goals. And mastering these techniques allows you to build mental resilience, maintain focus under pressure, and achieve your goals, just as the Navy SEAL trainees do during their grueling training. The influence of belief on performance. Beliefs shape our reality by influencing our actions and outcomes. Consider the Navy football team, which for 43 years believed they couldn't beat Notre Dame due to limitations like height and weight restrictions and a lack of practice opportunities. When coach Paul Johnson introduced the mantra, "Believe to achieve," he shifted the team's focus from their limitations to their potential. This change led to a historic win in 2007, ending their long losing streak and illustrating how changing beliefs can alter outcomes. C. Beliefs are powerful because they transform thoughts into actions. Initially, these actions are deliberate, but with repetition, they become habits. In Navy SEAL training, one trainee struggled with an underwater test due to ingrained civilian diving habits. Through intensive retraining, he adopted new beliefs and habits, leading to success. To change limiting beliefs, you must first identify them. And this process can be challenging because beliefs can often feel like undeniable truths. Techniques like the 5 whys can help uncover the root causes of these beliefs. By repeatedly asking why you believe something, you can trace the belief back to its origin. For instance, asking why you believe you're not a good writer might reveal past experiences in school that shaped this belief. Triangulation is another useful technique. By seeking advice from 3 trusted individuals who have achieved what you aspire to, you can gain new perspectives and start to accept a more empowering belief. These individuals can provide insight and encouragement, helping you see that your limiting beliefs are not absolute. Assessing progress is crucial in reinforcing new beliefs. Tracking your actions and celebrating small victories can provide the motivation to continue. For example, Keeping a log of your progress or using a wristband to remind yourself of your new belief can be effective. Technology partners can also help you stay on track by providing honest assessments of your progress. Finally, using positive affirmations in the present tense helps neutralize old beliefs. By repeatedly telling yourself, "I am a great writer," for instance, you shift your focus and energy toward this new belief. Over time, this practice can transform your self-perception and behavior, leading to new achievements. Understanding the impact of beliefs on actions and outcomes is part of building the unstoppable mindset. By identifying, challenging, assessing, and neutralizing limiting beliefs, you can unlock new potential and achieve your goals. Beliefs drive behaviors and habits, ultimately shaping your reality and potentially giving you a mindset that is truly unstoppable. Final words. The main takeaway of this link to the Unstoppable Mindset by Alden Mills is that mental resilience in achieving ambitious goals comes from cultivating an unstoppable mindset. Drawing from the rigorous training of Navy SEALs, this mindset involves setting clear, actionable goals to channel your mental energy towards specific objectives. Managing your internal dialogue by silencing negative voices and amplifying positive ones helps maintain mental strength. Transforming limiting beliefs into empowering ones shifts your perspective, allowing you to see obstacles as opportunities. These strategies collectively foster an environment where you can overcome challenges and stay driven. Embrace these principles to unlock your potential and achieve extraordinary success, just like the elite Navy SEALs. By consistently applying these techniques, you create a resilient mindset that can turn your biggest aspirations into reality. An unstoppable mindset is about relentless focus, positivity, and the ability to turn every challenge into a stepping stone towards success. Okay, that's it for this summary. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for being part of our insightful voyage. If our summary piqued your interest, we encourage you to dive into the complete book for a deeper understanding. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content if you're new here, and share it with others who might find it valuable. Keep on reading, discovering, and advancing until our next adventure.